Okay, Eli is going to be fixing this problem that we have on this hog floor. When you are fixing something like this, when we get done with this, it's going to look like nothing happened to it. First of all, the product needs to have this type of consistency. As you can see, I can take this product and you see I can mold it. You see I can mold it. And the reason you want to mold it is so it stays when you pack it. When you pack it, you see this, it stays like a little ball, so you can pack this. Okay, Eli is getting this thing ready. That's how you fix it. He's gonna get it ready. Watch this. Put a little more higher. Yeah, higher. Okay, now all the way to the corner, up to the other edge.